I hired my first coach, and I learned a lot, man. Hiring taught me a lot. I hired my first coach. It was a woman, and I remember after like the first maybe 2 weeks of working together, I gave her like my blueprint on how I've gained 60 clients at the time. I had about 55 to 60 clients, and it was just too much for me to handle. And I gave her like what I did, posting every day, stories every day, and it was hell. It was hell.
Why was it hell?
Because maybe in the first week, Jav, I'm just losing followers every time I post on a story.
Losing the precious followers.
Yeah, like, I did the post you told me to do, didn't get any likes. I'm just scratching my head like,
she can't take it.
You don't get it. You don't get it.
She can't take it.
And I'm like, so I had to explain to her like, yo, you've lost followers, cool. That's a good thing. Because those are the people in your audience that don't even want your service.
They're never gonna buy.
They don't need to be in your audience. So actually, because they're leaving, they're clearing themselves out, which actually is allowing your content to get pushed to the people that might care or probably do care. So